Welcome back to Thistle Hill Farmstead, guys. Today is Christmas tree day. So we went today and picked up our Christmas tree, which is right behind us. I'm going to trim the end off of it and put it in the Christmas tree stand, which you can't see, which is here on the ground. So come along. All right, let's see. Cut the end of it just a little bit. He just picked them up the night before, I guess. Trimming the tree. All right. Let's see if we can get it in the stand here now. Let's see if that's in the. Okay. See if we can get that bad boy in the stand. That's better or worse. We'll see if it stands up if I have to. That hole wasn't in the middle, but it's in there. No, it's not big enough. The hole? Is it on the ground or is it?
It's not in the. I don't think it's all the way down here. Of course, we got it loose, real loose on each side too.
Yeah, let me put my hand under it and see if it's touching the bottom. Which I guess it really doesn't need to. No, it's pretty close. I think it'll be all right. Because if it touches the bottom, let's see, go this way with it a little bit. This way. That looks good. Probably have to get somebody else. The distance and say yay, nay, good, bad. I'll get her tied up a little bit here. Yeah. Can she open the gate?
She opened the gate for the chicken.
Yeah, if you want.
He said, yeah, if you want to.
Okay, let's see what. That's right. Lucas the goodest. I'm sure it'll take a little bit of adjusting here, there. We got to get that thing straight, but we'll leave that up to the ladies. Once they get over here, they can tell us how it looks. Oh, don't have the top. There it is. Oh, the Ingle family tree at Thistle Hill Farm. My shirt. Okay, here we are. We're taking the tree in the house with the help of my son-in-law, Josh. All right.
Which one? Fall over or just go straight up there?
No, let's just lean it over, I guess, and then I'll get the end. You can get the front. You need gloves?
Nah, we're good.
Since I got this one. Oops, it's got a broke it.
Yep.
All right, here we go. The Thistle Hill Christmas tree. I guess maybe I need to. Are we gonna go in the front door?
Hey,
Go up in the front door.
Never goes to the front door?
that never happens around the usually house, all right? Nope.
Okay, here we go. Right here. There is good for right now. Okay, we have the tree in the house set up. Now all we have to do is decorate it. So stay tuned and I'll do a video of us decorating the tree.